Everyone, Kevin here with Osa Tropical Properties. Today I'm showing you yet another house in the beautiful South Pacific coast of Costa Rica. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with a beautiful ocean view and sunset view. We are in Chontales, very close to a hotel. We are about 20 minutes from Uvita. We have the 2-bedroom house right here, 1 bedroom on each side, and then we have carport and outside kitchen right there. Let's go for a little tour. Outside dining area, sitting area. We have the beautiful kitchen right here and living room. High-end appliances, very large kitchen island. And then we have the master bedroom right here with sitting area and ocean view. A little working area. Sliding door right there leading to the coffee table. This is safe room slash walk-in closet. We have another closet right here. And then the spacious bathroom. This is amazing. We're gonna go see the guest bedroom right now. We have the guest room, but before we have the bathroom and then the guest bedroom. Very nice. A little sitting area with ocean view as well. This is a little entertaining area, little outside kitchen with barbecue and an oven, sitting area. Then we're gonna go, this is the carport and storage. This is the entrance to the laundry from the carport area. When you're coming back from the beach, this is very useful. Then you put everything in the laundry room. This is awesome. And on the back, we have the beautiful view of the mountains. Sunrise is right there. It's beautiful. And then you have the beautiful house right here. Ocean view, carport. Now we're gonna go see the solar panels, the backup generator, the backup battery system. Oh, and on the way to the solar panels, we have the outside shower. And then right here, 6 very high power solar panels. They didn't have to put anything on the roof. It's right here, easy to clean, easy to access, easy to fix if something happens. And then also we have a beautiful garden. Right here we have a huge tank, probably more than what you will need. And then we have here battery backup system. We have the pump for the water, for the pressure, and a backup generator right here. So if the power goes out, you have the battery backup, and then if not, start the generator, and then it's gonna power the house and charge your battery up as well. This is very affordable. It's hitting the market in a bit, and it won't be in the market for long. So what do you think about this cute little house in Chontales, Costa Rica? Comment down below if you like it. For more information or for a visit, contact me directly or any other team members at OSA Tropical Properties. We'll be happy to help you. Till then, take care.